Have you ever tasted a dish so comforting it feels like home? Today, let's make Southekayi Mosaru, a refreshing and flavorful delight from North Karnataka. We start off with a grated cucumber, light and hydrating, along with finely chopped onion, spicy green chilies, juicy tomato, and fresh coriander. Now, for the magic of tadka, heat a little oil, add mustard and cumin seeds, and let them pop. The aroma fills the air as we add our veggies. Add green chilies, onion, curry leaves, and let them cook until the onions turn golden yellow. Sort them well. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Now add tomato and cook until the tomatoes soften. Add salt according to taste. Then comes the grated cucumber. Add teaspoon of sugar. Let it cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. Once done, set it aside to cool down. Once cooled, it's time for the magic touch, a cup of creamy curd. This transforms our dish into a tangy, luscious delight, perfect for hot summer days. You can pair it with chapathi or roti, and there you have it. Southekayi Mosaru, a simple, healthy and absolute comfort dish. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you like the recipe, do comment on how you felt it. Thank you.